MMI dental interviews, whether you've applied for dental hygiene and therapy or dentistry, you might get an MMI ethical scenario. These questions can be really, really difficult. They can be very dental specific. They can be really broad and healthcare based as well. There could be thousands of scenarios that they could pick from. So be really careful when practicing for these, because you just want to get a structure right. You don't want to memorize any sort of answer. There are lots of example MMIs online or even in my guide, but these can really help you to structure your answer and see how you can approach different situations. One common scenario is, what if you saw a fellow dental student taking home the patient's notes from the hospital? So imagine there's a physical patient notes, they're putting it in their bag and they're about to take it home. There is no specific answer, but what they want is you to summarize back the scenario first, show that you understand it. Secondly, mention why it's a concern. This is a concern because this is a confidentiality issue. You'd be surprised how many people don't even mention that it's a confidentiality issue. During your MMI, you're going to get reading time where you read the scenario. You might have time to jot down notes as well. In that time, mention the theme. What is the theme here? Is it a confidentiality issue? Is it a consent issue? Why is it an issue? What are the GDC standards that come into play? Talk about any other factors like NHS values. How are you going to approach it with keeping the NHS values in mind?